another video. In today's video, it is another Mother's Day gift basket idea. I am extremely excited about doing this particular basket. I wanted to do something outside the box. I wanted to make it budget friendly. I wanted to make it as easy and as simple as possible. So I came up with this concept. This is where I used a shower caddy from Dollar Tree and I stuffed it with so many spa-like products. So I cannot wait to see how it turns out, y'all. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So this is all the items we are gonna be needing for our basket. As you can see, we are doing another spa-like theme. We have everything that you can think of that we will need to bring our basket to life. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we are going to use this shower caddy. Like I said, I got it from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree only had two colors from what I saw. They had this white and they had a black. So I went ahead and decided to go with the white. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some gift tissue paper. And this paper is kind of like some decorative paper that I thought would really go really good with our theme that we have going. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this in half. I'm actually going to cut it in fourths because as you can see, it is pretty much almost like four sides or four little corners on this caddy. So what I'm going to do is just cut this into four little strips. Actually three, because this side is a little bit longer, so we will line it just like this with our tissue paper. And then on this side, I'm gonna put a little piece of tissue paper to kind of stick out from the sides. Just like this. And then what I am going to do is take some newspaper, just regular old newspaper, just wads of newspaper, and just put it down inside of our basket. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I wanted to do something a little different than what we normally see. I wanted to think outside the box. I wanted to be creative and I wanted it to be budget friendly. And I think I succeeded with this particular idea. All right. So this is what it looks like starting out. So next thing we are going to do is start adding our items to our bag. All right, so I got a little bit of everything. I have a towel here. Of course, I have a loofah. I have an exfoliating mask. We have some house shoes. So I am just going to start placing everything inside of our caddy here. So let me take a little bit of ribbon, and what I'm gonna do is just add the ribbon to the outside of this towel. And when I went into Dollar Tree, they had a 5-pack of washcloths, and it's got family written on them. They came in different colors. I think this had like 3 white towels and 2 beige color towels, and it had family written on it. So definitely look for that at your local Dollar Tree, which I thought that was really cute. So I'm gonna take a little piece of this ribbon and just tie it around the towel just to give it a nice, cute, decorative feel to it. Real easy, real simple. And then we will curl the ribbon here. All right, just like that. How cute is that? That is so cute. All right, so what I'm going to do is take my house shoes, and I think these house shoes, I got these house shoes from a place called Roses here in the city that I live in. So I'm gonna take the house shoes and I am going to place them right here on the side. And what I'm gonna do is take my towel and I'm just gonna stick my towel right here inside of the shoe, just like that. All right, and then I'm just gonna start layering everything inside of my basket. All right, so we are going to take this tag off. I'm probably just gonna take the $3 sign off, y'all, so they will at least know that it is new. And a lot of these items I did pick up from Pop Shelf, Dollar Tree, of course, a place called Roses, just wherever I could find cute, inexpensive items that I could use in this basket. All right, so we are going to start layering candle. It's supposed to be a lavender scent, but the candle, of course, I got from Dollar Tree as well. This right here is a little bit of, this is a sugar scrub. I got this from the place called Roses. And we have this shower gel, and this is some bath beads. So we are just going to go ahead and start putting everything inside of our basket, okay? So in my last basket, I did use a headband. So I found these little arm cuffs that are really, really cute to use when you're washing your face in the morning, and that's gonna catch all the water from running down your face. These are so good. So what I am going to do is take this out, and I am going to wrap it right around our handle here. And that way it kind of hides the handle. I know the headband worked so much better, but guess what? We are going to make the arm cuffs work as well. So just like this. And it also has some pink, and it has a little bit of purple on the inside, which goes good with our theme here. All right, so we are going to go ahead and start layering things inside of our basket. As you can see, it is coming along really, really good. Everything is kind of falling into place just how I want it. So I am just gonna keep working and get everything just right. And you can never go wrong with a little bit of chocolate. As usual, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much in advance. I appreciate y'all so much. All right, so once I get everything into place where I want it, of course I can use a little bit of tape to get things, to hold things into place. But I really think I am good. I don't need a lot of tape because everything is so weighted that it's not gonna move. And then when I put the bag around it, I should be fine. All right. I love this basket. When I say it is coming along so good. And another thing that I love about using this particular caddy is because after you take all the goodies out, you can just use the caddy in your shower, in your bathroom. So I love a dual purpose basket. I don't want anything that people can just throw away. I mean, hey, we need to get use out of everything. All right, so we are going to keep moving along. I am going to now take some of these little purple shreds. And I actually got these shreds from Walmart. They had all of their Easter items on sale at like 90% off, I wanna say. So I definitely grabbed this color shred paper because I don't think I had any purple. And I'm so glad that I did because it has definitely come in handy. All right, so I'm gonna put some shreds on the top just to fill in those little spaces that you see. Oh my goodness, how cute is this, y'all? What do you think? Y'all drop me some purple hearts in the comments. If you are loving this design, y'all let me know. Y'all have been showing me so much love. I appreciate it so much. And I do not want to disappoint with this basket. I know Mother's Day is coming really, really quick. So I don't know if I will be able to do another basket idea, even though I have a couple more. So if you want me to squeeze in one more Mother's Day basket gift idea before Mother's Day get here. Y'all let me know. Let me know in the comments if you want me to squeeze in one more. Just say one more in the comments, and that will let me know if you want me to get in another basket idea. Another big one that I had in mind was a box, not like the box that I did in my previous video, but just a standard 8x8 box, and it always turns out really, really good. So y'all let me know if you want to see another Mother's Day gift basket idea. But look at how cute this is coming along. Why is my slipper hanging from the back, which does not look bad? So I don't know if I want to leave it like this or adjust it. If it's not too much trouble, I am going to adjust it. So I did decide to go ahead and adjust it. But I love the way it is coming together. So of course it is not complete until we add flowers. Yes. So I didn't have any purple flowers, so I decided to use some white flowers. I got these from, I want to say Hobby Lobby, or it may have been Joann's. I think it was Joann's. I got them in several different colors. I got white, I got pink, dark pink, a light pink, and it is working out so good. So I am going to take my flower and stick it on the inside. And that gives it a beautiful, festive look. What do y'all think? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. How cute is that, y'all? I told y'all I'm gonna have to stop complimenting myself. So y'all just let me know how cute it is in the comments, okay? I am going to also share another thing that I do to my flowers once I get everything together. And y'all let me know if this is a good idea or if you do it as well. But what I do, I take a little bit of oil on my fingers and I just kind of rub it right in the center. So that way, when the bag is open, it's a beautiful, nice floral scent that comes from the basket. That's a super great idea, y'all. I came up there, I don't even know where I got that from, but I've been doing that to my roses for a long time. So I am so glad to share that with you. So make sure you try it and tell me how you like it, okay? And it doesn't take a lot, just a little bit of essential oils, whatever flavor or whatever scent that you like. I usually do like a rose scent since the flower is a rose. So that's what I do. So feel free to use that as well. But this is what it looks like, y'all. It is coming together so nice, so well. I don't think it's anything else that I need to put inside of this basket. Like I said, I wanted to create a smaller version of the huge basket that I did for my mom. And I think I succeeded, y'all. When I say we've got everything in here that you could possibly need. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and add the gift bag around it, okay? All right, y'all, so I am going to use this bag right here that I got from Dollar Tree. But I want to be honest and transparent with y'all. I've already told y'all I did not like these bags. I did not really care for them in particular. But what had happened was I'm sitting here and I'm waiting for my Amazon order to be delivered, and it has not been delivered yet. So I'm just gonna use what I've got because I prefer to use the heavy duty, sturdy. You guys, if you've been rocking with me up until this point, you already know what bag I'm talking about. It's the really thick material. It's more of a glossy, shiny. It just looks more elegant to me, so that's what I prefer. But since I don't have any on hand, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and use this basket bag that I got from the Dollar Tree. And y'all know I'm gonna make it do what it do. So, hey, let's just do it. Let's just do it. So, I said all that to say, just use whatever it is that you have, okay? So this is actually a really nice size bag. So it's probably gonna work just fine. if I can ever get it open. I done talked about the bag so bad. the bag trying to teach me a lesson, y'all. When I say the bag is teaching me a lesson, but that's okay. You will not get the best of me. All right. Y'all saw that, didn't you? The bag was like, nope, you don't really want to use me anyway. But guess what? We are going to use you, okay? So we're going to take the entire caddy and sit it on the inside of our bag. All right, what it look like, y'all? What does it look like? Like I said, we are going to make it work. I'm gonna take, of course, some of my ribbon here and wrap it around the bag. All right, so we have it nice and neat as I could possibly get it around our basket. And I think it looks pretty good. So what I am going to do now is just, I'm gonna trim my sides. It is an opening here in the basket. I could kind of tuck it, but I think I'm going to cut it just because I have so much air into this bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the sides and I'm going to tape them down. All right, as you can see, I've got my sides taped down really good. I think it's coming along just fine. I'm gonna curl my ribbon here. And then we will trim the excess paper. So we are going to add our bow, and I am going back to my old faithful bow that I love so much. I used these during the Easter season, and now I am going to use this particular bow for Mother's Day. And I got these from Amazon, so I will leave a link if you are interested in getting them. All right. What y'all think? What y'all think? But hold up, we're not done. We got one more thing that we are going to do. I am going to add one of our flowers to this bow just to give it a nice added touch. And y'all tell me what y'all think. Just wait. This is it. What do you think? What do you think? Do you love it or do you love it? So this is my spa purple Mother's Day theme basket, y'all. I think it came out really good. Would I have rather had my bag wrap that I usually use, of course, but I think it still looks great. You see the concept, you see the idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Don't forget to like the video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to drop in the comments if you want me to do one more basket design before Mother's Day is here. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.